Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for my own analysis, learning and only for educational purpose. Please subscribe to my channel for daily watch list. Always trade with SL. Keep SL below the 5-minute candle low which breaks the level for the upside and above the 5-minute candle high in the sell side. Mostly avoid trading on wicks. If body closes above the level and if the next candle crosses the high or low of the previous candle, then only enter into the trade. SL is your best friend, so strictly follow this. Do not rush to the trade, let it come to your levels. And never assume that once I will enter at this price, then the stock will start moving in your desired direction. This never happens. It might happen once in a while, but most of the time it will not happen, and the most will erode your capital. So in my watch list yesterday I had selected the first was Titan. I had suggested to buy above 1270 and sell below 1245. So let's see how it was in 5-minute time frame. So best place to enter in Titan was first, second, third, fourth. Fourth candle broke 1245 level, and once it took support at 1245, around 1246. This next candle it was completely a weak, so it would have started going up first and then down. So best place to enter was to enter around 1245. And now where to keep SL? The SL was this candle. This candle high. This candle high was 1251. So the ideal place to enter was around 1245 and 1251 as SL. So now once it has started moving in your direction and it came up to 1240, then we would have moved our SL also above our sell price, sorry, below our sell price, and in case this happens in the buy side, then just above our buy price. So risk and reward was good in this. The next was a star. A star did not execute. In a star my level was 715, so 750 in morning it could not break. It broke in last half an hour, so this was not a good trade. In my today watch list for 13th October, first I have selected is ACC. ACC now I feel if it breaks if it breaks 1532 in the upside, then I will go in buy side, and if it breaks 1512, then I will go to sell side. So if it breaks 1532, then it will give a very good movement if volume comes. Probably it should be a good move in the upside. It should not be a trap, but always trade with SL. In the downside, if it breaks 1512, then it may test previous day low 1505 1505, around 1505 it should come. Next in my watch list is Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra now I feel if it breaks 640, then again it may test 645.47. So ideal scenario for Mahindra and Mahindra to open between 630 and 640. And if it this is a there is a 10 rupee difference in the levels. So Now if it opens between 630 and 640 and breaks in the upside, then I will go in buy side, and if it breaks down, then it may correct up to 628 first, and then it may test this trend line, this range it can come. So around till 626, 625 it should come. Third in my watch list is PEL. For PEL, my level is if it if it breaks 1330, then it may test again 1340. In case it breaks 1314 and consolidates, or if it breaks 1330, then it can give good movement up to first 1350 and then 1360. In the sell side, if it breaks 1292, then below 1292 it may correct. It may first it may come up to 1285, and then it may test 1280 also. So these three, SEC, Mahindra and Mahindra and PEL, is on my radar for today. Siemens also I have selected. See, Siemens, the reason behind selecting Siemens is on this trend line it was taking support from last few days. One, two, three, four, five. Fifth time it have taken support at this trend line. So now if in case this support is broken, then there will be a severe fall of maybe 10, 15, 20, 30 rupee also. But that is not the ideal scenario for day trading. We will trade only for 4 5 rupees. So now if in case it breaks 1255, then our first target should be 1250. But once it starts moving in our direction, our SL should also move in that direction. And the upside for buy side, there is chances that it may reverse from this trend line. So now if it breaks 1262, then we will go in buy side. But the ideal scenario is to open between 1255 and 1262. So let's see how it is performing today. If you like my strategy to choose scripts for the day trading, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my work, then please hit like button. Thank you.